Hi. Hi.
Hi. For you, Miss Danazon, what is true love for you?
True love. According to what I have heard around me, the surroundings, true love daw is a plan. Actually, it's really a plan. When you enter the kingdom of love, ano ba yan? It's just then you parang pag-love, para just then you know on the process of love, plan mo ba ano ko? Is he the right one, or is this really what you've been looking for?
Charlotte. Is that all?
Yeah.
Is that all, Miss Charlotte?
And the most, the very
Bugtubre ba?
Oh, lugo, the very,
Trust, no? The main essence of love is trust. For you, Miss Nervin Lara Lara, what is love for you? I mean, true love.
I don't know that. Makao na. Pagmula mo ka.
Tarong ba, tarong? Tarong.
Nagkakasan.
Moto.
Ito man.
What is the essence of love?
Next question please, no comment.
What is the essence of a woman?
Oh, the essence of young woman? Makao na.
Sobra pas makaon mo na makakalipay.
Next question. Daring.
Ang galing niya.
Change topic.
Sa mga topic, what topic do you want me to ask for?
You're the interviewer, so you ask the question of me, stupid.
Why? What grade are you in now?
What grade? Are you stupid? Are you that dumb?
Sige na.
I'm college student. I'm a college student.
Sige na.
Kung naman, sige na.
What is true love for you, again?
I don't know.
You don't know?
You know?
Okay, for me,
Switch.
Okay.
Ana, Jai, di mo sa YouTube. Sige, question. Question. Isa imong ipanguyaban karon.
Shot!
Don't deny.
Ay, kana siya. It's really a private right, not intimacy.
Okay.
So,
Pero
can I please hold on to that?
question na ba
Yeah.
Okay, go. Question na.
Then a question. For me, what is really a true love? Like Donald Lagay was told, love is like just a process.
Photocopy na kay Kawi. Awa, nagtanaw yung ano.
Hi guys.
Fun. Sige, fun. Sige na tao, fun.
You can easily figure it out. It's a true love. If you are really sacrificing yourself for the particular man or woman in your life.
Seryoso, no? Kanoon.
For me, true love
Okay, time.
is just like bubble gum.
Kung mapilit, makabuhang.
Ano